Have you ever dreamt of turning your words into a catchy song that'll have everyone grooving? Well, get ready to unleash your inner songwriter, because today, we're diving into the extraordinary world of Voicemod, your very own meme song machine. Welcome to Voicemod, where cutting-edge AI meets music composition to create something truly magical. Whether you're crafting viral memes, creating content for your community, or simply unleashing your creativity, Voicemod is your ultimate companion. Let's dive into the magic of Voicemod. First, click on Create Content, and then select Create a Song. Now, the fun begins. Choose a song style and your desired singer. It's like having your very own virtual band. Next, enter your lyrics and watch as Voicemod's natural language processing technology transforms your words into a melody that's sure to get stuck in your head.
In the concrete jungle I rise, I've been chasing dreams, never falling behind. The city lights flicker, the beats combine. I'm on a mission, no wasting time.
But that's not all. You have full control over the song's vibe. Adjust parameters like tempo, key, and dynamics to make it just the way you want it. The result? Your very own personalized music track. Now let's take it up a notch. Click on Generate Speech from Text. Here you get to play with voices and add a unique twist to your content. Pick a voice that matches your style, type in your text, and let the AI work its magic. Voicemod gives you a variety of voices to choose from, whether you want something comical, epic, or just plain fun. The power is in your hands to create the perfect audio for your meme, video, or any content you desire. And the best part? You get to preview your creations before you export them. Just click play to hear how your song or speech sounds.
Future and scope of AI are boundless. AI will continue to advance and permeate various sectors, from autonomous vehicles and smart cities to personalized healthcare.
If you're satisfied with the masterpiece you've created, it's time to share it with the world. If you found this video interesting, give it a thumbs up and pass it on to your buddies. Make sure to subscribe for future awesome videos.
Discover latest AI tools with video demos. Visit AIdemos.com.